Did we just get these for your baby dolls? Huh? Can you pick the baby up? Huh? Yeah? There's the baby's pacifier. Good job, Greta. Good job. Let's pick the baby up. Here. So go to sleep in your swing, baby. There we go. Can you rock the baby? You rock the baby? Yeah? What's the baby doing? Is it being a good baby? You're taking good care of it. Yeah, that's its pacifier. And put it back on its mouth. So here you go. Had to come see this right away, huh? This was more exciting than coming home and seeing the doggies. Huh?